We've been plagued by the cat, but she seems to have disappeared. I thought I was going to have to do this with her bottom in my face. Or your face. Or both our faces, which is never good. Now, I'm not going to apologise for the fact that you've probably had this before and you'll probably have it again, but it does seem to be almost guaranteed to creep up in one of those little dark corners of the 11 plus. And I beg your pardon. And it's in the detail that you pass or fail. So I before E, except after C, when it makes an E sound. You need the whole rule. I before E, except after C, when it makes an E sound. Now, when I was taught this at school, I was just told I before E, except after C. And here are all the exceptions. Badoof, a great sort of long scroll of them. Well, if you have the makes an E sound, that sorts a lot of the problems out. And then the others, when you look closely at them, aren't so problematic. So we'll have a sneaky peek. Let's see how it works first. So we've got ceiling, it says E, and it's after the C. So it's not I before E, it's the other way round. So that is correct. Do you know, I hope it is. I've had to redo so many of these spelling ones because I've got it wrong. I've checked it on the word processor. Personally, I think that's looking a bit dodgy. Now we've got grief. If I've got it wrong, just feel smug, okay? Grief. So that says E, doesn't it? So that's right. I before E, except after C, there's no C, when it makes an E sound, which indeed it does. So that's the rule as it should be. Now let's have a look at these. Weird. It's not really a wee sound, is it? Sort of weird. So that's okay. 8. Now 8 says A, not E, so we're okay with that one. I'm fed up. Let's go for another colour. Air. Again, it's a air rather than E. So yep, we can have that one. Protein. Now we do say E these days, but when this was first done, I mean even in my youth, we tended to say proteins. So we can have that one. Protein, say it like that. C's. Now C's is we live in modern times and spelling has come with the modern times. Notice this E-I, C's. So it says E and it's not after a C. But shh, the C's wants to be a C. It just hasn't had the operation to have its diddly widdly bits taken away. So there we are. Now it says C's, and now that's okay. See? C's. But at the moment, until it has the operation, it's still S. But we can cope with that, can't we? And now we have science, science. So even though the E-I is before the E and it's after a C, it's not saying E, so that's fine. Science. And then we've come to this ingredients, because I was looking for some other words and I was thoroughly fed up. And this doesn't have anything to do with the rule because it's ingredients. Ingredients. Entirely irrelevant, really, but rather a nice word. Thanks ever so much. See you soon.